Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Discord not hearing others. Chapter 1. How to fix Discord not hearing others from settings. To start, enter sound in the search box. Click Manage Output Sound Devices. After that, confirm that the device is correct. Adjust the volume from the slider bar. Now click on the speakers and confirm that everything is configured correctly. Chapter 2. How to fix Discord not hearing others from audio settings. To start, open Discord. Click on User Settings. You are going to go to the Voice and Video section. Here, under Output Device, select the speakers you are using. Adjust the volume if necessary. After this, at the bottom, in the Audio Subsystem section, you will select the standard option. By choosing this option, you may need to restart Discord. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. How to fix Discord not hearing others with volume mixer. To start, right-click on the volume icon. Click on Open Volume Mixer. In this section, confirm that Discord is enabled and the volume is appropriate. Chapter 4. How to fix Discord not hearing others unmuting the server. To start, open Discord. Then, right-click on the failed server. You are going to click on Unmute Server. This will enable audio for the failed server. Chapter 5. How to fix Discord not hearing others reinstalling Discord. To get started, in the search box, enter Control. Click Uninstall a program. Here, select Discord. Click Uninstall and wait for this process to finish. After this, go to the link that we leave you in the video description. Click Download for Windows. When the download is complete, click on the file, click Run. Now, you are going to wait for Discord to be installed on your system. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.